for roads and highways. Agboja, and they Volta region for sure when him so be or makwayama or mupap.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Honorable Kwame Agboja, who is a MP or the good people of Adaklu in the Volta region, my own region, has been appointed the Minister Designate for Roads and Highways. Now, this very announcement has been met with several different reactions. Particularly, those of us in the Volta region who are Voltarians, we are happy that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has seen it fit for one of ours, a son of the Volta region, to occupy this very, very sensitive position. And the reason we are happy, among other stuff, now the reason most of us are happy about this latest development is because Volta region is a region that really needs roads. A lot has been done. A lot has been done by successive government, especially by the NPP government in the Volta region. Most of the good roads that we have in the Volta region currently were all started and done by the NPP government, and I mean from the Kufo government to Akufo-Addo's government. And so, to have one of our own, a son of the land, who occupies this position, why not? We are happy. It's going to maybe help improve the roads, because you cannot come from Volta region and when sharing the national cake, Volta will not be part. His own constituency, Adaklu, for the people who know Adaklu needs a lot of roads. A lot of roads. But one particular road that is a reason why Voltarians are jubilating that John Mahama has appointed their own as Roads and Highway Minister is a road from Ho-Aflao Highway. See after me, Ho-Aflao Highway. Now, this Ho-Aflao Highway is one of the busiest roads in Ghana because Aflao is a border town, right? So most of our transactions, businesses use the Ho-Aflao road. Most of the things that are coming into Ghana, normally they like to use the Ho-Aflao road because of the traffic that is they find mostly on the Aflao to Accra road. Now, if that is the case, successive government have tried to give us a very, very motorable road. A road that will be even asphaltic, is not bad. From Ho to Aflao, it's just about some 80 kilometers or even less than that kilometer of road, which ought to be done. Now, at the NDC was campaigning for this election that we recently had. One of the core messages they campaigned on was that Akufo-Addo Bawumia government have neglected the Ho to Aflao road, and that it is because Akufo-Addo Bawumia government do not care about Volta region.
For roads and highways, Agboja, and they Volta region for sure when him so be or makwayama or mupapa. Kwame Agboja, Volta region for esu akwaya che, ufri Volta, money and reflect it. Ebi mo ha ye de region bi ye de position bi ma omo ye hunu hwe oye minister wa region bi region esu wa fi omo. Okay, give me the next group.
And so they don't care about Volta region, they forget about Volta region and everything. So that's why the Ho to Aflao road hasn't been done. And so we were asking, but Volta region has always been a hotspot, the World Bank of NDC. And in fact, His Excellency Mahama himself recognizes it that yes, Volta region gives them most votes and most percentages and gives NPP gap. And so why is it that of all the years that NDC has been in power, at least in the Fourth Republic, 16 years, they had not done the Ho to Aflao highway? They said we should live there, and can they do everything? NPP is the one supposed to do it, and blah blah blah. Even when there came a time that the choice was between doing the Ho to Aflao road or the useless aerodrome that they call airport, whole airport that nobody uses, only His Excellency John Mahama uses that place, they still decided to go and invest 20 million US in the bush and leave that road. Now we have one of our own, one person who has been very vocal when they were in opposition. He was a minority chief whip. You remember? So he was the main architect behind the let's go and sit at the majority side and all those things. And he was very vocal. So one of our own, a Voltarian, is now appointed the Minister of Roads and Highway. Ho-Aflao Road is a highway. A highway. That is for Ho-Aflao Road. Aside that, there are many roads in Volta region that needs urgent attention. Very, 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 very urgent attention. One of those roads is a Ho-to-Kweve road. That road currently is a death trap. Honorable Kwame Agboja is aware of it. It goes on the mountains, a mountainous road. It is a death trap. So now most of the vehicles like to rather take the Ho to Fume. Also another mountainous road that was done by NPP. Very beautiful road constructed by NPP. But the people of Kweve are saying that, Honorable, you are one of ours. You know our problem. We are all here. You've been using the road. The Ho to Kweve road must be fixed now. When Akufo-Addo came, he ensured that most of the Eastern Corridor Road, right, especially from Asikuma to somewhere Hokwe Kweve thereabout, were done. Now the request is that one of our own from Volta region is the one that has been appointed as the Minister of Roads and Highways. The remaining of the Eastern Corridor awaits. Yes. That aside, there are other roads around Ho, and this time I'm just using Ho. I've not yet gone to Pando. I've not yet gone to Aflao. I've not yet gone to Hokwe. At least for Hokwe, Peter who has done most of the roads for them, so let Hokwe people can relax for now. Ho, Pando, Sugakope, Akachi, all of them. We are looking up to Honorable Agboja, the MP for Adaklu, who has been appointed as the Minister of Roads and Highways. And when he's done with this one, the dualization of Accra to Kumasi Highway, I bet people said NPP was incompetent. So now that the competent ones are there, now that the loudmouths in the NDC are appointed, especially one of ours, Agboja, appointed as Minister of Road and Highway, Accra to Kumasi Highway, it should be done, it has to be done. It has to be done. The shortest possible time, it must be done. We are also looking forward, because Charlie, there are roads that needs to be done. There are a lot of roads that needs to be done. And you see, now we are coming to see if the alternative that NDC offers is better or not. Yeah. And Amy Depa say the very people who were very vocal, who were making a lot of noise, who were bashing Akufo-Addo's government, Bawumia's government, are the ones who are receiving the appointment, not strangers, not aliens. In Adaklu, where this MP is coming from, when you go there, you will be amazed. It took Akufo-Addo's government, Nana Akufo-Addo, Addo Showboy, Addo Guy, to bring water, drinking water, to the people of Adaklu. Meanwhile, they had an MP they were voting for. So look, the truth of the matter now is, and if you are expecting anything from the appointment of Kwame Agboja, Honorable, as roads minister, please lower your expectations. Lower your expectations so you don't end up getting very bitterly disappointed. Because I can tell you 70% accurately that there's going to be disappointment. These people were just making noise. No alternative. Because we have seen a Minister of Transport in Volta region before. Of blessed memory, Jifa Ativo, our own auntie, our own sister. She was a Minister of Transport. Yet Volta region benefited nothing, NOTHING, nothing from the transport ministry. In fact, the metro mass buses that were coming to the region at that time were in deplorable states. Very, very deplorable. Even when they bought new buses, Volta region only got about 2 of 100 and something. Only about 2. So I believe Voltarians are used to disappointment, getting disappointed by their MPs. Our MPs, because I'm a Voltarian. But we just pray and hope that this time around, the story will change. And that at least the appointment of Honorable Kwame Abuja as the Roads and Highway Minister will bring some relief to the region. And then some of our roads, most of our roads that we have been crying over, will be done. We are watching closely. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.